Imagine a creature 10 times the size of a bear roaming the earth. A beast so large that it could reach high into the trees, towering over most other mammals of its time. This is not a creature from a fantasy novel or a science fiction movie. This was a real animal that once roamed our earth. This was the Megatherium. The Megatherium, also known as the giant ground sloth, was one of the largest land mammals ever to exist, second only to elephants and certain dinosaurs. Its name, fittingly, means great beast. The first fossils of this colossal creature were discovered in Argentina in the late 18th century, and since then more remains have been found across South America. This gigantic mammal lived during the Pleistocene epoch, a period that spanned from around 2 million to 11,000 years ago. The Megatherium had a long, curved spine, large, powerful limbs and sharp claws. Its size is estimated to have been up to 20 feet long, and it could weigh up to 4 tons. That's about the same weight as a modern-day rhinoceros. The Megatherium was a herbivore, meaning it fed on plants. It used its enormous height to reach high into the trees for leaves and fruit, much like modern-day giraffes. And interestingly enough, it also had a highly unusual feature for a mammal: extra bones in its skin, which may have provided it with natural armor. Now the question arises, how did such a colossal creature go extinct? The answer is both simple and complex. The simple part is that the Megatherium, like many large mammals of the Pleistocene, was unable to adapt to the changing environment and competition from other species. The complex part involves a combination of climate change and human activity. As the climate changed at the end of the Pleistocene, the large, slow-moving Megatherium found it increasingly difficult to find enough food to sustain its massive size. At the same time, humans were spreading across the globe, and they too needed to eat. It's believed that the Megatherium was hunted to extinction by our ancestors, who found in it an easy and plentiful source of meat. In conclusion, the Megatherium was an extraordinary creature, a testament to the diverse and often surprising forms that life can take. It was a giant among mammals, a herbivore that could reach high into the trees, and a creature that, despite its size and power, was unable to survive the challenges of a changing world. Its story serves as a reminder of the power of adaptation and the consequences of failing to adapt. It's a story of evolution, extinction, and the ever-changing nature of life on Earth.